Hey guys, I'm here this evening to show you how I use Canva to demonstrate student understanding of the narrative of the life of Frederick Douglass. So we're focusing the role of the educator as facilitator and designer here. And then for the students, we're focusing on knowledge constructors. So using digital tools to produce some kind of artifact that lets me know that they understand the content standards. And so the state of Texas is currently phasing in these new TEKS. And rather than focusing on literature and English, their main focus is information literacy. So improving the way that students gather and show their understanding of new and important information. I think this is a good thing, and I'm so excited to see how it looks in the classroom moving forward. And so I'm going to show you guys just real quick some of the things we do on Canva. So if you look here, you see my rubric, and we'll just do one real quick together. And so I've already got the title and stuff on there. What I do is here on text. So I click on text and I chose the heading, subheading, so heading here. Subheading would be my name, and then of course it's the narrative of the life of Frederick Douglass. No need to put that twice. And then for everything else, so when I add text boxes to explain my image, or when I add my personal response here, um, all of that would be this right here that add a little bit of body text. And so it's to explain all of the visual elements of my poster piece. And so I need quotes that relate to bondage. And I think that this one here is one of the best ones because it's talking about the world behind him and how he has a future and all of that good stuff. And I think that that one is really important. So I Control C to copy it. And then I come here and we're going to go to text. And I'm going to add some body text, reposition it here to the middle, because I'm going to try and tie this quote into my personal response. So I'm going to make it an appropriate size here. Still not quite big enough. And we can change it later if we need to. But I'm going to do this here and Control V to paste. And then it's a matter of just playing with it to see what sizes work on your piece and so forth. So it's important to remember that just like with Publisher, it's going to look bigger once you print it out and stuff. But Canva is just a online version of Publisher and other things of that nature, and I am really excited to see how my students can use it well in my classroom. I appreciate you guys tuning in here this evening, and I am looking forward to seeing how Canva can be used in other effective ways in my classroom. Thank you.